Amanda Pakyntein, wife of Mawkynrew MLA and former Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh, has officially entered the race for the Autonomous District Council elections as an NPP candidate from Mawkynrew Constituency. She filed a nomination for the election, which is set to take place on the 21st of February 2025. Speaking to reporters after submitting her nomination, Pakyntein expressed confidence in securing victory. She affirmed her commitment to following in her husband's footsteps to drive development in the constituency, while also working towards strengthening the sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution. She highlighted that Banteidor Lyngdoh has played a crucial role in bringing various developmental projects to Mawkynrew, benefiting the people. Amanda Pakyntein also pledged to carry forward his efforts and work for the progress and welfare of the constituency.
Semuanya baba ngasnya ikikun ki hajar jangka Mawkynrew Constituency ki bala asnya yang abai bapai ban ni la the kajing dia jaki kadang nama confident bai ki mat ningkong edi ba kumba I la asnya I bapai ki roi kapal lagi ila the I bapai ki Mawkynrew Constituency mengarunan vote kita ki dinjet kita ingin dan ki event ang palat ya ka roi kapal bat kam tamai ban penek pensa ya ka riti gestur ke jongi bat kam tamai le ya ka jat ka khong dan bat haba im ka jat jong ka long kini ke im ka kedin ketlie ke im ka riti gestur ke im ka ribat ka jat mri ka ban nim kong hi so dei ban buat ye ki mati jong I ba joy reverend JJM Constituency dengan bat scam ni penjanai bat ban beteng ya ka 6 schedule namar ba kadai ketua hi ka atial ka ba ai jingada ya migi ribat rumlom bat kumju kadai ka ikiar bas khamba ya ki doloi ki sodar bat ya ki rang ba shnong de kham tam le le ngak ba ban wan ra ka sanshar ka khadar ka bakhun bat ban katuka ka kam ka jam apa district council ka di gonong ka ba shai phat bat ka ba shai kadar bat kham tam le ka komuniti Kristen mengitip ka ni syai ong ba ni di ban I ki para marjan ni ladi kamariang ru kadeka kawai ka para marjan ka jongi aba ni khoi ka jimut ka jipat khat mut kamariang ngin lang ben khoi ni le beneka.
Hilarius, Warbah, a veteran actor, has officially filed his nomination as the Congress candidate for the upcoming ADC elections from Mawkynrew Constituency. Speaking to the media after filing his nomination, Hilarius Warbah expressed confidence in winning the election, stated that he is determined to work hard towards strengthening the sixth schedule of the Indian Constitution. When asked about contesting against the wife of sitting MLA, Warbah clarified that his candidacy is not a personal battle but rather a response to people's desire for Congress, a party they have long supported and trusted in Mawkynrew.
Jonga hakani election kalong pe kimat rekam jong ka parti nakaliang ka parti Congress jungi ni ong bangin ai ke jingeda in ai ke jingeda ban in ai ru ke jing panbah kiwi ki sain perkat ki ong bangin wanra ya ke jingkela mengipat ngin wanra ya ke jingeda banyada ya ke district council ni dang don kam ya ke district council ban lang pen klan bat ban lang panbah kumbala kren de ki nong yalam jungi kumba PNCM bat kiwi kebun ki benta ki baka 6 schedule kabangin nang perskem susu kamtam hak bede berkebor jong rong basnong bat kiwi ki benta ki baka district council kandang ai bor susu ya kebor suku ya ki rong basnong begila ban sensyar namar bakat kum ka kernit ke ban rio mo kata ka 6 schedule kabangin ong la ai bor ya ka district council ban jet usim la ai bor usim ban jet ya ki rong basnong ki sardar mo don ki bong sardar don ki ong baong rong basnong tingin sim ki rong basnong te yakini ki bentang pet idang don kam sibun susu ban pengklain anda habangi kongres nginwan hakabor ngamtip adu menta ka nungut ki kandidat habang pet bentang idang don tang riungut desengin don nyau ngaya khunu di boro ya ke jinglo